Hello everyone, how you guys doing today? So today we're going to teach you how to do an advanced like start menu screen with camera manipulation, but this time it's going to be like how do you say it? Just pretty much simpler, and you don't have to use it for first person, and it has a shop and like all that kind of stuff. So uh, let's get into that. Yeah, let's get right into this. Okay, so first things first, make sure you guys have Explorer and Properties up. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a part. So you can just physically just import a part by just clicking this button. And once you do that, scale it up to around like this, around this. It really doesn't matter. Make sure anchored is on, by the way. Um, then what we're going to be doing is you're going to go to Model, Surface, Glue, and make sure you click. It's kind of weird. I never. This is a new weird like way they do this. Just click the one you want with glue, and this will be the way we show where it's looking and stuff like that. Unlike the last one, I should have done that on the last one because I totally forgot. So, yeah. So that's the first part. Now let's get into the second part. Okay, so the next things you're gonna be on lighting. Just click this button right here and search up blur, and you can just import that. Once you get it, it's gonna be like this, and the size just make it 0 like that, and this we'll use later on for blurring the player's like screen for the camera. And then you're gonna go to Start GUI, click that, and insert Screen GUI. And I'll just do this with you. I'm kind of skipping ahead because I'm just looking at stuff. So menu GUI like that, and then you're gonna hit this, go to Frame, and we're gonna be creating a frame that's covering the whole screen, if that kind of makes sense. Because this is where we look at it. So size is gonna be 1 0 1 0. So 1 0 1 0 like that, and bam. So sorry that it looks kind of weird on my screen. I kind of wanted to position my face cam just right here for you guys and like my live count and everything like that. So it's gonna be bigger on your screen. So yeah, let's get into the third part. So next things next is you're gonna go to frame, background transparency, and just make it 1 because we're gonna want it transparent, and you'll see why. And then we're gonna be adding a text button. And why is that? Well, that is because we will be adding the play and all the other buttons. So there's a lot. You can position this wherever you want. You could either do top, bottom, right, like this, bottom like this. I'm gonna go on the left because it kind of makes sense to you. It looks the same and stuff like that. So we're gonna be doing this, and what we'll do is we'll name it play, like that. Now there's a few things. You guys are probably wondering, like, yo, what do we want to do? Like, we want this to look good, you know? We got a lot of options. So first, do that. Put play as the text, and then choose your font. There's a lot of fonts you can do. You know, there's actually only a few. If you don't have a certain font you want to pick, you also can do Photoshop and just do an image button, which is always preferred too. This is going to be simple for us, and we're going to do black. We'll do white text, so white text like this, my bad, like that. You won't see it for a second. And then to text, let's do the background. Where's the background? Right here, background color. We're going to make this, what do you guys want to do? There's like so many options. I can make it near kind of like my Coconut Tycoon, or should I just go with like a simple, that's kind of nice. There's like brown. Let's go with like a black. Well, this is your choices, guys. I am sorry. Let's go with that color. I like that color. Maybe a little bit less. Like that. That's a nice color. And then border color. That's kind of nice. Like a dark blue. Border size, make that 3. And now if you look at that like that, you can see that's what it looks like. And I'd recommend, if you guys haven't learned this, not that. Where's it at? Custom style. Roblox button. Oh, well, that changed it into a weird, like, Roblox button. Where is it at? Default. No. Button. Round. Like that. So now, it's going to be a button that's round. So this is way better looking. So, that's the first part. And you can keep this as the play, like that, so we know what we're doing. Now, we're basically just gonna make another one. So just duplicate it and put it lower like that. Duplicate it, put it lower like that. Okay, we're making two, by the way. We're gonna be naming this one shop, and this one settings, because why not? And then right here, you're gonna go text. It's gonna be shop. This text will be settings, like that. Perfect. So now that you got all these set up, let's get into the fourth step. Fourth step. Okay, so for the fifth step, this is when it comes to the scripting part. So we're going to go in here, insert a local script, and we'll start off by doing local player equals game players dot local player. So grabbing the local player. Then we're grabbing the character, which is local character. Then that character added, and then local mouse equals player get mouse, like that. Oh. Then we go to the local camera, which the camera is the main thing. Okay, guys. So this is like I said last time. It's gonna be in workspace, and we're gonna grab that current camera like that. Boom. And then we're actually just gonna go to that because we have the labels. Default C frame, which is gonna be the cameras. Gosh. C frame like that. And then local view equals 150, as in like the POV, I guess you could say. And then we're going to be getting the blur, and this is when we enable the blur. So blur like that. Then we're going to do the blur. Wait a minute. There we go. Blur size. Let's do 15, so it's not too blurry. And you guys are probably wondering what that is. That's like, you can just test it if you want. So if you just go right here, and let's just do it right now. So that's 15. That's like 20. That's like, yeah. So I would say around 15. So let's just keep it as 15. So now we got that. Let's just make this look good real quick. So we got the locals. And then right here, we can say blur effect, like that. Okay, so now we are going to make the function for updating the camera, as in updating your player camera, and then like that. There you go. And then camera.cFrame equals game.workspace, like that. And then menu camera, so up there, like boom, and then C frame like that. And by the way, if you guys don't know, so if I did that real quick, C frame, you can just hit tab. So when you like do that, see those answers, just click tab. So tab like that. Boom. Okay. So now we're gonna game. I kind of wanna, yeah, whatever, this works. So game get service, and then run service, and like that. Dot render stepped connect, and then here go update camera. Boop. But let's see here. Yeah, that should work. And then script dot parent dot frame dot play dot mouse button one click. Okay, this is gonna be the you guys know what I mean by I don't know how to put it. So you know how we let's do that. Okay, so how do I say it? We this would be the main, by the way. So like how in the last one we had the sound playing on, depending on what it was, like we just had sound playing. So what we're doing with this one is we are creating the function right here. So when we click it, it's gonna wait like a few seconds. And yeah, so these are the update camera, run service. This is when you click. So this is for the local button. But yeah, so that's the main thing. So let's get into this. Okay, so now for this part, what we're doing is go to audio. So go to your toolbox, go to audio, click any of these guys, doesn't matter. I just found a stupid one like this. And what we're doing, you're going to click it, it's just going to spawn in. And what you're going to do is you're going to name it menu music. And once you do that, find the looped button and playing and just click them both. So just like that. Because that means it will be looping and playing while you're in the screen. So now, oh god. Okay. So what we're going to be doing is when we click the function, as in like when we click the button, we're going to get rid of blur size. So let's just make that 0, of course. Then we're going to be doing the game.workspace.menu music and then stop. And you guys are probably wondering what that means. So the music's going to be playing when we play the game because it's already looped and playing. So that it's just in workspace. It always does that. But what we're doing is, so when we click the music, this button, it will stop it. So that's pretty much that. Then the camera type equals enum, like that, sorry. Camera type custom, as in the player's normal camera. Then script.parent.frame destroy, as in it will destroy the GUI. So this is literally just for start screen, so when you join the game. So this kind of makes sense if you're trying to, and then you can just do script.destroy. Destroy. Like that. So let's just test it out real quick. So right here, and then sorry, gotta hit play. Duh. I don't know if it's you can leave it on like that. Let me just check real quick. Okay, so it's playing. Okay, so that's okay. Wait, the camera's not working. And then okay, perfect. And then it gets rid of it like that. Let me fix the camera real quick. Okay, I'm back. I want to make this really quick and an easy tutorial, you guys. So I'm just gonna do everything for you. But what was wrong was fix this update camera. It was like this, but I just get rid of that. Oh. Then down here in destroy, it was actually this, but it was this instead because I'm stupid. Also, you guys should have output open because this can help you like what's wrong in your game. And like that's what helped me. It just completely fixed that real quick for me. So yeah. So what it should look like, and I just added some few things because I wanted to do it real quick. So you're gonna hit play. Oh, while you're thing. And then while you're at it, it's gonna do the location like that. Settings, you'll be able to open this. Shop, you'll be able to open this and close it like that. So that's something cool. I'm gonna add some sounds real quick with the buttons when you guys enter, and the play go like that. So I'm gonna quickly just pause the video and do all the other stuff that's like really cool and like finished, so you guys will understand it, and it'll be pretty new. So yeah, give me 1 second. Actually, quickly just let you guys know, if you are new to developing and don't know how to hide these while you're just working on the game and you just want to hide them, just click that button right there. And it does not enable them or whatever, and if you were to hit play, you would still get them. This just enables it from you to see them. So that's a quick tip for you guys, by the way. Okay, so I might as well explain this down. Wow, YouTube is down for me right now, because I personally need to look at some stuff for settings. So we're going to get into shop, because I did a lot of things, and yes. So, first of all, this is how the shop looks. Few features. There's going to be scroll bar, so you guys will be able to do this yourself and customize it. Have a bunch of game passes, do whatever you want. It's a little complicated. I don't want you guys to get things mixed up, okay? First of all, there's scrolling frame in here, okay? Boombox game pass frame, VIP game pass frame. And what you do is you just duplicate it and you would just move it over like that, okay? So let's just do that. That's all you would do. And then what you would do is name it, just make another one, and name it off the bat with like Mega VIP Game Pass frame, like that. Then you go in here, name that one Mega VIP Game Pass frame. Maybe the price, go $350. I'll just keep this because why not? Title, and we'll go Mega VMP Game Pass, like that. So now there's a few things to this. Keep the Game Pass frame because this will help you. So you're gonna open up this local script case. There's a lot now. It's a lot now. There's way more. So there's gonna be this is where you make more game passes kind of thing. This is the locals for the shop and all that. So what you would do is, I think I already have some that I made. So you guys are probably looking at all these like numbers, like what the, I'll just put this here, Game Pass ID for Boombox. I'll say your Game Pass ID for Boombox. And then right here would be your Game Pass ID for VIP. So you guys are probably wondering, yo, what is this? There's so much fucking words. So this is grabbing the Game Pass ID, and what you're doing, okay, I'm going to show you. So this is going to be the local Game Pass and all this kind of stuff. This is really kind of complicated. I want to keep this really simple for you guys. I don't want you getting all confused. So what you're going to do is make sure you enable the Game Pass and make all that stuff. And if you guys don't know how to do that, I've made tutorials on that and everything. And it's pretty simple. So I'm going to grab my Mega one, which I already have. Oh, shoot, I don't need to do that yet. So first of all, copy all that one. Let's do that. And then what you're going to do, since like I said, you're going to look at that right one right here. And what you're going to do is go Mega like that. Mega like that. So that's pretty simple. Make sure the names match. Make sure the names match. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is in here, you're going to put your Game Pass ID just right there. So mine was right that. And then like that, I'll just say. And then what you're going to do right here is go Mega. It's super easy. Super easy, guys. Like that. There you go. And what it's doing is it's going inside shop, okay, like that. Going inside scrolling frame right here. And then it's going to this one right there. It's choosing that one instead of all these. And it's going inside and choosing that. And that is where you click it, that it gives you the option to pay or not. Now what we have to do, go down to here, copy all of one of these, okay, paste like that, and go Mega VIP like that. And don't mess it up. And then you go right here and just go Mega. So when you want to change these, you just look for all that names. So all of these are right here, and it's super simple. You don't even have to do anything for you. Like this is all you got to do. So let's say Mega VIP Game Pass like that, and then VIP Game Pass like that, and then Boombox Game Pass. Now, so there you go. It's already made. You don't need to worry about it. You just have this, and it's literally so simple, guys. It's just so simple. Like, you just gotta make sure you don't mix it up, okay? Now, when I come to this, I'll change this one. I haven't made a Mega VIP. I was actually just using my photos that I made a while ago. We'll go Photoshop editing. Go for my other game I made. And we'll go here, and we'll go Mega VIP. There you go. You can change the image label by going down here and changing that. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys that. You go down here, change image, click that, and do your own thing. And there you go. And you also can grab other people's if you want. So, literally, so simple. Now, what it'll do, which I already own the Game Pass, I'll show you in a second. You're going to go back here and just click visible as off. And if you're wondering, how can I make my Game Passes with the scrolling thing? So, oopsie. Just go in the scrolling frame right here, like that. Just, what the fuck? Scroll down. That's weird. That shouldn't be happening. You'll figure it out. Sorry guys, I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. It's been a long video. So then you hit play. So we already got all these new stuff up, because why not make it for you guys when it's ready. And I actually did get this from another video, but I am amping it up a bit. So now you have that. And now scroll and all that stuff. Now look in the output. Okay, look in the output. I already own this Game Pass. So every time I click it, I already own it. This one I already own. But if I don't own it, it will pop up with the price and, just a normal marketplace service to buy it. But I haven't made a script for the Mega and VIP, but you know what I'm trying to say is with my other videos on how to, let's stop this real quick. I need to fix settings, by the way, but you'll just click play. So you already spawned in with the Boombox because I have a thing for it, and it's the same thing. So like if you grab the scripts that I use for my tags and all that stuff that I made in another video. So, oh, it's right here too, player tags. Oh, there we go. Let me, okay, not this one. We're not gonna do that. So, we're just gonna do the boombox real quick so I can show you guys. So, like, I have this script that you had for the boombox. You would literally, if you want to do an item, this is for an item. For VIP and Mega VIP, if it's not an item and it's like player tags, that's in my other video. Go look at that. And you literally would just put the same thing in there and it would work. That's all you got to do. So for this one, it's an item. Change your Gamepass right there. Same thing. And put it in the replicated storage. Make sure that's the same name and everything. If you want to go look at my other video, I'll link it in the description showing you where and how to do all the other scripts in Gamepasses. But for now, pretty much that's all you have to look at. It's right there for you. I have it all set up, and there you go. That's pretty much it for you guys. I'm gonna work on the settings. I don't know if I can do it right now. I'll do it right now. It's just gonna be a longer video, so yeah, just give me a bit, okay? Wow. Okay. So even though, gotta focus up when you focus on this. Come on, get me. So you don't even care. So even though I didn't know how to do this, okay, and YouTube's down, whatever, I searched it up. So I made settings, okay, and there's only one thing I did because I want you guys to do the rest. But I will make another tutorial probably in the Tycoon series where I enable more things like graphics and stuff. But everyone else's tutorial was stupid and made no sense. So for chat, what we're doing is we have a text button, and it's basically just chat on or whatever. What you're doing, I just didn't even know how to do this. I just literally got so much help with this on the dev forums. So we're getting the chat GUI, the starter GUI, and I never knew about the core GUI types where like you can enable and disable. So what we're doing is when you click, if it's false, well, false, true, whatever, either way, what's happening is chat is already enabled, okay, and it's gonna say chat on, and that state is equals true. Now, when you click it and chat off, that means the chat is off. So I literally it's so simple. But what this is actually is this button state changes the text. So literally, like this is like, I didn't even think I could do this, guys. I gotta be a hell honest with you. So this video is finished, thank the Lord, and I will leave the model in the description. So just feel free to go get that. Literally, so we have shop, but you go settings, and chat is here now. Sorry, click it again. It's gone. I can't type. But I need to see if it turns off chat for the local player. I'm pretty sure it does because it is a local script. So I'm pretty positive, if I'm right, you guys. Focus up. There we go. You should be good. Go test that in your game. It's a local script. It should be good. So yeah, I don't know what to say. It's pretty good. Everything will be in the description. Go get it. And I hope you did enjoy this tutorial. I'm sorry it took forever. So much. Just had to get it all done. But yeah, it's lit. Let's go. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.